Hello everyone, welcome to PTE Reorder Paragraph Real Exam Question Series. This is 59th video in this series. It means that we have already covered 58 highly repetitive and real exam questions जो students को exam में आए भी हैं. My name is Bhrat Brij and I have scored a perfect 90 in all the 10 skills of PT. And the question students ask is, sir, can we also score? The answer is big yes. You guys can also score if you follow our strategies, techniques, and the hacks which we teach. So that's why do not forget to subscribe to our channel. And now PT is accepted for study, work, or settlement, and 90% of Canadian universities now accept PT academic. PT reading, it's of 32 to 41 minutes, so you have to manage your time yourself. Like in other sections आपको individual question timer use हो रहा होता है, जहाँ पे over here there is no individual question timer and it is not scored out of 90, it is scored out of 47 marks, and it has 5 question types. The third question type is reorder paragraph, and this is the real PT reading scoring. As you can see, the 47 marks, how they are coming up, and reorder paragraph, which is today's topic, is of 6 marks. So if you are getting 3 reorder paragraphs, they will be of 2 marks each. Okay. To skim the reorder paragraph lines, then you have to apply the strategies, then you have to make pairs, and then you have to confirm that all the pairs you have made are correct. And this is today's reorder paragraph, and you have 30 seconds as usual to skim through this, and after that we are going to start it. Okay, so you know that one thing which we do is we do the skimming first to find independent line and conclusion line. Conclusion line can be optional. So let's get started, and we use a process of elimination to find independent lines. We eliminate the wrong options and we then जो option बच जाता है, generally that is our independent line. Okay. So often they also address the challenges experienced by the world's poor. अब यहाँ पे they कौन हैं कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा, right? So it's a pronoun, so it cannot be in independent line. So that's why we are going to eliminate it. So we have facilitated more than 200 million in investment and worked with 250 innovative businesses whose goods and services. This cannot be independent line also. We कौन कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा. So that's why this is not independent line also. For example, वैसे भी हम किसके लिए use करते हैं concluding lines के लिए. Examples are always in the last, so this cannot be your independent line. Now, the only line remaining is this line. Let's see if this is an independent line or not. New Ventures is a program that helps entrepreneurs in some of the world's most dynamic emerging economies. Brazil, China, Colombia, India, Indonesia, and Mexico. Yes, this makes sense, right? So this is your independent line. Now, अब आपको पता है this is going to be in the last. So now only thing what you need to do is you have to find कि second line कौन सी होगी. यहाँ पे देखिए often they also. they एक तो they यूज हो रहा है तो pronoun की बात हो रही है. also मतलब already कुछ build हो रहा होगा. क्या यहाँ पे कुछ आपके person या persons की बात हो रही है ताकि they pronoun as a pronoun यूज हो सके. they is used for people, right? So where it is given over here we. पहले आप we mention करते हो, उसके बाद आप they की तरह mention कर सकते हो. And also, right? Also means already कुछ आप mention कर रहे हो, build कर रहे हो, तभी वो also की बात होती है. So that's why now you know जो pair होगा पहले आप we have का करोगे और उसके बाद also और they यहाँ पे आएगा. This is as per our SO strategy. Okay. Now एक ही line बचती है and this is going to be in the end. So you see how simple things can be if you know the right strategies, the right methods for solving your reorder paragraphs. Let's see if all the options are correct or not. Yes, the pairing is correct. So just as a quick conclusion, as a quick little revision, how we came at this pair, this was our independent line. उसके बाद हमने pair बनाया इन दो lines का, because for example last में आता है concluding line के हमारे rules हैं. सो अब आपको सिर्फ ये पेयर बनाना था, ये लाइन आपकी सेकंड होगी या फिर ये लाइन आपकी सेकंड होगी, और इसमें क्योंकि ऑल्सो है, दे है, तो आप ऑल्सो मतलब ऑलरेडी कुछ बिल्ड हो चुका होगा, और बिल्ड कहाँ हो रहा है, वी के साथ, तभी आप वी को एज अ दे के साथ रिप्लेस करोगे, राइट. So this is how things can be very easy if you know the right strategies. And what are the strategies which we teach at Marvel PTE? We teach the strategies for finding independent line. You have seen today its application using process of elimination. Then BS strategy, which is brought to specific strategy. CO strategy, chronological order strategy, LO strategy, logical order strategy, connectors, TO strategy, which is topic order strategy, AB strategy, abbreviation strategy, SO strategy. You have seen its use today, which is subject object strategy, and last sentence rule. Also, you have seen its usage, how we find last sentences. So based on these strategies, अगर आपको ये सारी strategies पता हैं, इनकी implementations पता हैं, it will be very easy for you to simply solve your reorder paragraphs correctly within 2 minutes. Okay, remember, you just have 2 minutes. In first 30 to 60 seconds, you are going to skim the content. आपको एक independent line find out करनी होती है. Then you have to find an conclusion line. And in next 30 to 60 seconds, you have to apply the strategy so that you can solve your reorder paragraphs quickly. And all the strategies which we teach at Marvel PTE are validated and proven strategies. The proof is in below in the ticker, where you can see so many students of ours have achieved their target score. And these are some of our recent success stories where students have scored 90, 87, 86, 82 and 81. So if these guys can score, you can also score. This is our WhatsApp number 8699121121. If you have any questions or doubts, you can contact us if you want to take online coaching or in-institute coaching. And do not forget to subscribe to our channel, because we post such informative videos on a regular basis. We give wings to your dreams.